Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the data types which are available in R program. So in R program there are 5 data types, that is integer, double, character, logical and complex. These data types are also called as atomic data types. So let's see how I can define an integer data type. In order to define an integer data type, I need to specify an integer value with capital L. And now if I try to check the type of this value, I need to write type of my variable name. Okay. It is integer. Now let's say if I remove this L value, L part, and now I try to run this, it is taking as double. So in our program, if we have to define any integer data type, we need to specify capital L followed by an integer value. In order to define any variable with double data type, I need to write any integer value with decimal part. In that case, it will be defined as a double data type. Now let's see. If my b variable is double or what. It's double. In order to define any variable with the character data type, you need to specifically mention any string value within double quotes. That will be taken as a variable with character data type. So it is taking as character. Now, basically logical data type is nothing but, right, when we have true or false, any variable with true or false values, that is nothing but the logical data type. So how we can define that in our program? Let's see that. Capital T represents true and capital F represents false. The type of D is logical, and I can see here in my environment that D is true. Now let's say if I make it as F, it is false. So this is how any variable with logical data type can be defined. Now basically complex data type is a data type which is basically used for, right, quite useful in doing mathematical calculations. So in order to define any variable with a complex data type, this is how I can write in order to define a complex data type. It's complex. So this is how, these are the main 5 data types which are available in our program, and they're also called as atomic data types. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.